Hello, everybody. You can call me Hunch, and I want to talk about what's kind of happened, and it kind of feels like we're in a sort of a bear market, right? We're in extreme fear. Um, there was a lot of greed, and I made a video about this. It had over 5,000 views. It was about Zk Rollups and how I thought everybody was confused. Nobody knew what was going on. There was too many L1s, L2s, side chains, etc., etc. So I just want to dive in and not pat myself on the back, but just kind of explain to you I didn't sell out or anything because I'm mostly in Bitcoin and I'm a long-term holder, right? But like if I was a trader, more of a trader, and I knew what I was going to do with my taxes and all these things, I probably would have sold out because I made the video, right? So let's dive on in. So I just want to go over this real quick. Pentoshi's a pretty famous guy or girl on Twitter, and they're kind of like a trader, right? But he said some random thoughts with no meaning, right? Markets almost always get killed out of greed before fear, right? So if you think about what's going on, there's extreme greed, right? Everyone's going into altcoins. Not a lot of people are going into Bitcoin. They don't care about the quality of the project. They just want to get in and out and make a lot of money, right? So, for example, focusing on quantity over quantity, thousands of new projects equals new supply, but eventually demand can't be met and the entire market pays a price. It collapses on itself to find true demand, right? So, what he's saying is basically blank coins are the cause of this meltdown, right? Because there's too many. They're all just being issued. There's no system, right? You don't have to have an IPO like on the stock market. People are just like throwing them out here, and everyone's like taking their money out of this and putting it into the next one, and into the next. It's almost like devouring itself, right? So I want to show you a clip of my video that I made a while back, right? Okay, so because I think I nailed it on the head perfectly. Okay, so the whole point of crypto is you can invest in the ecosystem, right? But if the ecosystem is constantly changing and nobody knows what the ecosystem is, how are all these going to maintain market caps? There can't be this many L1s, L2s, Zk Rollups, side chains, 1.5s. This is my rant. I'm Call Me Hunch. I think there's going to be a crypto winter severely, and I think Bitcoin is going to maybe survive. Maybe ETH is going to survive, and I think everything else is going to go poo-poo-pa-choo. You can call me Hunch. This is why I think there's going to be a crypto winter. I didn't give you a timeline or anything, but this is just my explanation. I think everyone is massively confused and has no idea what's going on. Okay, so that's basically what this person is saying, right? Like you look at the market caps and Solana, Avalanche, Algorand, Stacks, Bitcoin, ETH, they all have got huge market caps. And they just keep coming out with new things, right? Then it was ZK. I said in the video earlier, right? This video is called Zk Rollups, right? Zk Rollups, why I think there'll be a crypto winter, right? They were like, that's the next thing. It's going to scale. They're going to have a coin. It's going to pop, right? And then I said, and in the video, I literally said, and then after Zk Rollups, there's going to be something else to scale it, right? And this is true. There's always going to be something new with these coins. They don't want to focus on a project, right? Like that's the beauty about Bitcoin. They're always trying to improve it. Just Bitcoin, and that's what Bitcoin maximalists do. They want to make one functioning product, right, before they have all these other products. So that's exactly what this person with Pentoshi, who's got 500,000 views, said months after I made this video. So if you're going to become a trader, an investor, and this is even a lesson for myself, I saw the writing on the wall, right? I'm sitting here watching my own video saying I think there's going to be a crypto winter, right? And I didn't take my own advice. So, in some respects, I'm upset about that. In other respects, I feel lucky because I can continue to stack Bitcoin at a cheaper price. But it's just amazing to look back and just be like, wow, I knew this was going to happen. Like nobody knows what they're talking about. I mean, I go out to bars and people are talking about decentralization. Like they have any idea what decentralization means. To be honest with you, it's disheartening, and it's. I think that people are really taking for granted the opportunity that we have here. So you can call me Hunch. Your Zk Rollups can go eat some beans, okay? Because I don't want to have nothing to do with it. Have a great day.